Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Lunch review of Cacio and Pepe sausage by Amylu. This sausage is already fully cooked, so all you have to do is heat it up. And it's made with Pecorino, Parmesan cheese, and cracked black pepper. It's a chicken sausage. I'll give you a close-up. That's what it looks like. There was actually four, but I had one already. Pretty big sausages. Close up. It's from the back. And it says just heat it thoroughly and eat it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try it plain, and I'm gonna try it with a hot sauce. This is the front of the box. This is the back of the box. Nutrition facts. You can pause this to get a detailed look. So they are individually packaged, so that way you can just tear each one of them off. Eat them one by one. It's looking good. All right, here's the sausage. Cacio Pepe. Truly heated. That's all you got to do. You don't have to cook it. It's fully cooked. So they just want you to heat it up real good, and it's ready to go. Just sliced it open. Oh, it's hot. Just want to give you a quick close-up what it looks like sliced open. It's from the side, sliced open. Here's another quick close-up. Alright, here's the first bite, plain. We'll do it plain so we can taste it. It's good. It's really good. Wow, I'm surprised by how good it is. There it is. It's really good. Taste the pepper. It's peppery, I like it. Add some hot sauce to it. It's really good. Got this fly flying around. This sausage is good. It's Amylu's from Costco. I tried their chicken beef, chicken beef. I tried their chicken burger patties. They were delicious. Great chicken sandwiches. This is chicken cacio e pepe sausage. It's really good, peppery, good. I would recommend it. Comes individually wrapped, which is really good, really nice. And yeah, it's good, man. If you guys like chicken, sausages, chicken sandwiches, this is it. It's good. It's hard to make a good chicken sausage, and they pulled it off. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you in the next one. Bye.